So we need to clean this at the gas station. We thought they had like at the pumps, like in Canada, but nope. They put him to work. They actually gave him a whole bucket and equipment from inside the gas station. Clean windshield.
I don't think I'm even using the clip earlier with how bad the windshield was. But we got a pretty big day ahead. It's Glacier viewing today.
Ice king.
Yeah.
Is that where we're going?
I think it is, but we're like 3 kilometers away, so. But yeah, it looks like a big waterfall, perhaps.
It's very little water for how big that waterfall
Yeah,
is.
but I think there's another outlet.
Okay.
I think over there, because there's a few falls along the ridge. This is Seljalandsfoss. It is one of the big sites of waterfalls on the Ring Road, which is the road all around Iceland. It's very popular. We got equipped with waterproof clothing and we're ready to go behind. This is where they keep the loot chests, behind the falls.
Is that man-made?
I don't know, it's
Sprinklers and water in the air?
water and energy from the fall.
Really?
It's natural sprinkler system. See?
We should go. Hello? I can send.
I
Hello?
don't know how I got up there. Hobbit hole?
Yes, that's my side.
Behind someone's house. So basically, they had an issue landing. It hit a bunch of wood and the plane broke. And they actually moved it here. It didn't actually crash here. It crashed in Sodness, wherever that is. see inside a little bit. Ocean to the right there.
I think we hit the ocean, yeah.
Yeah.
Crazy.
We're here about to go to a waterfall, and they have just a bunch of cool cars. I think that's an original Land Rover, Mercedes Hearst, and some old ones. And some tractor that's sound bombing us. I don't think that's for fish. I think that's for fishing like crap. Yeah, over there is, I think it's Skogafoss.
But if I catch fish,
So there are little birds there. See them? Yeah. I've spotted more birds. See them? Yep. Nice home. On our way to Skogafoss. It's one of the big ones. So what is this bus?
so this says La Caravana.nl, so I think it started from Netherlands, and it says the outdoor hostel bus. And from what I can see inside, it's literally basically a camper bus. So you get zero privacy. I think people are sleeping inside, and they're co-traveling.
That's
And
not bad.
I don't think they know each other because it literally has like signs, join us in Scotland in the months and stuff. So you can just book your place.
They have volcanic ash sand here. It goes from gray to black to brown to green to very green. So they got this area by the road. It's not really like a thing, but they got endless amounts of these purple flowers. Yeah.
They picked everything.
And that's Skogafoss in the background. You can see the mountain and the old glacier up there too.